In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass email using Sendgrid. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up, design, and send a one-time campaign to a large group of contacts using the Single Sends feature. First, once you're logged into your Sendgrid dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This takes you into Sendgrid's marketing tools, which are designed specifically for campaigns and newsletters, rather than individual transactional messages. Inside the marketing section, look for Single Sends. Single Sends are one-off email campaigns that go out to a list or segment all at once. Click on Single Sends, then go to the top right corner of the page and select Create Single Send. This will start a new campaign and open up the creation flow. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Here, you can pick from a pre-built Sendgrid design, use one of your own existing templates, or start completely fresh with a blank template. If you're newer to Sendgrid, a pre-built template can save time and give you a solid structure. If you already have a brand style, choosing one of your own templates helps keep everything consistent. After choosing your template, select the Design Editor. This is Sendgrid's visual drag-and-drop editor that lets you build your email without touching code. It's where you'll adjust layout, text, images, and buttons. Before you dive too deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab. Here you'll configure a few important details. First, choose your From Sender. This should be a verified sender identity, which helps with deliverability and ensures your email doesn't look suspicious to inbox providers. Then enter your subject line. Make it clear and relevant so recipients immediately understand why they're receiving the email. Now set your recipients. This is where you select the lists or segments that should receive your campaign. Choosing a list or a segment is what makes this a mass email. You might use a master list of all subscribers or a specific segment, like active customers or newsletter signups. Once the settings are configured, go back to the Design Editor to design your email. Use the drag-and-drop tools to add and arrange text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Make sure your message is clear, the call to action stands out, and everything looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the design and settings, click Review Details and Send. On this final screen, double-check your sender, subject, recipients, and content. If everything looks right, you can either send it immediately or choose Schedule to set a specific date and time. After that, your mass email will be queued and delivered through Sendgrid.